If the first time that someone hears about your brand is during your Black Friday sale, then you have already lost, because that's when ads are really expensive. Competition is insane, and you're asking someone to buy from you that's never heard from you before. That's what the amateurs do. What professionals do is they acquire their customers before Black Friday. That's when ads are their cheapest, competition is the lowest, and it gives you an opportunity to nurture and warm up your customers so that when you do go on sale, they are primed and they want to buy from you. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 strategies that you can use to get customers before Black Friday. And one of the strategies is so simple, you can actually do it all year round. But before I teach you that, I want to share with you a little stat. I have thousands of people that watch my videos every single day, but only 11% of them subscribe. Now, I put tutorials out like this every single week. That means that 89% of people are missing out on notifications. So if you're interested in growing your e-commerce store, I urge you to subscribe below. For the first strategy, we're going to find our customers on Instagram and Facebook, and then we're going to sync those customers directly into our marketing platform. To do this, we're going to head across to our Klaviyo account. We're going to click Integrations, and we're going to connect Klaviyo directly into Meta. We'll click Explore Apps. We'll type Meta in the app marketplace and we'll choose Meta Ads. Now, if you don't have Klaviyo, that's okay. You can subscribe for free at ecomacademy.co/Klaviyo, and then you can follow along on this tutorial. And then we're going to click Install here, and then we're going to connect to Meta Ads. Now, I've already connected to this once before, so it is asking me to reconnect. But if it's your first time, it's going to say connect. You're going to need to approve all the permissions and then click connect. Now that's connected, the integration that we want here is just lead ads. So we're just going to untick that. The strategy here is basically we're going to run a really cheap ad, like I'm talking $5 a day on Meta. And it's going to be a way to capture people's email address and phone number, and that's going to sync directly into Klaviyo. So let's go to the next step and I'll show you what we need to do. So in order to create the list, we're just going to complete the setup here. That now connects Meta into Klaviyo, and we can go to Klaviyo dashboard. We're then going to go across to lists and segments, and we're going to create a new list. I'm going to call this one BFCM Demo 2, because I've done a demo before. We'll click Create List, and we can see it brings us to this list form. Okay, so now what we need to do is go into Meta and create this lead ad. So if we go into your Meta Ads account, in your Ads Manager, we're going to click Create. We're going to choose a leads campaign, and we're going to go Continue. Okay, we're just going to click OK here. And we're going to call this BFCM Leads Campaign. Okay. We're going to just make sure that everything's set up right. Now, I only recommend like a $5 a day budget. You don't need any more than that. We'll scroll down. We don't need to do anything here. And let's click Next. We'll call this BFCM Lead Ad Set, so we know what it is. Okay. Now, this one here, we want to make sure our conversion location is website and instant forms. Okay. And then we're going to scroll down. Going to just make sure you've got your pixel set. And you can leave the conversion event the same way as it is. You don't need to change anything here. Just keep it really super simple. Okay, everything's good. Don't need to do any audience. We're going to do broad targeting. The only thing you want to make sure that you do is set your region correctly for the regions that you want to advertise in. Go through. Everything looks pretty good here. Don't want to change anything. We're going to go next now. Okay, now in this lead ad is where we set things up. So we're going to call this BFCM lead ad. Okay. And then this time, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're actually going to choose a form. Okay, so an instant form here. So we're going to click Create Form, and we'll call this BFCM Competition Form. Okay, just so we know what it is. And we'll spell competition right. Okay, and we're going to choose for more volume, and we're going to choose Optimized, and we're going to click Next. Now, what we're going to do here is where the magic really happens. You see, what we're trying to do is we're going to get someone to give us their email address or their phone number. And we're going to do that through Instagram and Facebook. Now, in order for someone to give you their phone number or their email address, you need to give them something in return. So what we like to do is host some sort of competition. So I run a coffee brand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away a month's supply of free coffee. Like, who doesn't like coffee? But in order to go into the draw to win a month's supply of free coffee, you need to give us your email address and your phone number, right? And we're going to do that directly in Meta. Now, the reason we do it in here is Meta already has that information. They already know people's email addresses and phone numbers, so that when this form comes up inside Meta, it's already pre-filled and someone just needs to click submit, and that will automatically sync through to Klaviyo. Okay, so let's set that up. Win a month supply of coffee. In the paragraph section, just describe the competition. Enter the draw to win a month supply of free coffee simply submit your contact details so we can let you know if you... Okay, great. And so you can see this is what it looks like here. Win a month's supply of coffee into the drawer to win a month's supply of free coffee. It looks great. All right, let's click next. And so now this is the form where we ask for the contact details. So first we'll just write a little description, submit your details below to enter. Great. And then we're going to choose what we want to have in here. So we can have full name, email, phone number. I probably wouldn't have anything more than that. And I'd make phone number optional. Okay, so all we really want is email and full name. But if they want to give us their phone number, absolutely, let's do it. Let's click next. Now it also wants a link to your privacy policy. So you should already have one of these on your store. So I'll just grab mine now. Let's click here, grab the privacy policy, and we're going to paste that in there as well. Great. And then we click next. And then just in the headline here, thanks. You are now entered. And then in this description here, we want to drive them to our store. If you want to browse or buy our coffee now, follow this link. Pop that in there. Great. You can see view website. I'll change that to be like view coffee. Or you know what, we'll do shop coffee. Sounds better, shop coffee. Okay, cool. Really, it's not about them getting the sale here. This is about just getting the email address and the contact details. So here we're going to click create form, and it's now created this ad that goes through to the form. So basically when someone now clicks this ad, they're going to be shown a form. But you know, that still looks a little bit boring. So we're going to add some creative in here. So we're going to set up creative, and I'm going to do an image ad. So I'm just going to grab this creative here and click next. And we can see that that works a little funkily. So it's going to crop this one out. And we'll change it like that. Okay, apply. That looks good. That looks good. Awesome. So we're going to click next. And then here we're just going to add in win a month supply of coffee. Great. And it's got a few different creatives here. So you can go through this and sort of add whatever you like. Win a month supply of coffee. So that's primary text. And let's just do a headline as well. A winner drawn every month. And then you can see these creative optimizations here. So have a look here and see if any of these apply. No, none of these are any good actually, so I'm not going to worry about those. Scroll down. We don't really need to add anything here. And instead of learn more, we're going to change this to be something that just is like sign up, subscribe. Yeah, let's do that one, sign up. Okay, click next. Now we don't really do any of these image generations. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm not going to worry about any enhancements. I'm going to turn off that. We're going to turn off all these just for now. We're just going to keep it super, super simple, right? And click done. Cool. So let's have a look what this ad looks like. Win a month's supply of coffee. Okay, you can read that there and you can see what it looks like across all the ads. Okay, this is great. So we'll scroll back down. We don't need to do anything under here. And we effectively go ahead and click publish. So once that's published, we then go back into our Klaviyo account. We're going to click integrations again. And then we click meta ads. Now that your meta ads is connected into Klaviyo, those lead ads are going to be able to sync directly. So up the top here, we're going to see lead ads and we're going to set up our sync settings. Okay. So there's no connection set right now. So we're going to click add connection. We're now going to find that meta lead ad here. Okay. So we've got this BFCM competition form and we're going to link that to a list, which we had before, which is BFCM demo 2. Okay. And then we're going to have subscribe to email or subscribe to SMS or subscribe to email and SMS if you've got it. So I'm going to choose that one. Click save. Now that that's set up, anyone that enters the competition in Facebook or in Instagram is going to sync directly into this Klaviyo account. And they're not even going to leave Meta or Instagram to do it. Now, strategy number 2 is even easier. We're going to fill that BFCM list that we created in Klaviyo with another technique. This time we're going to go to Shopify. So head over to your Shopify store. We're going to click add page. I'm going to create a page for this competition. So we're going to call it win a month supply of coffee demo. I'll just call it a demo because it is a demo I'm doing here. Okay, we're going to click save here. Then we're going to go back into our Klaviyo account. We're going to click over to lists and segments. We're going to click the 3 dots next to list and we're going to scroll down and we're going to click view sign up forms. When we go here, you can see there's no sign up forms here. So we're going to click customize for this list. We're going to click create blank form and we're going to call this BFCM landing page. Okay, we'll choose the form type and here we're going to choose an embed page. We're going to choose the list, BFCM demo, number 2, because that was one we had. And then we click Save and Design. You can see the difference between mobile and desktop. Instead of changing sign up for our newsletter, we're going to have sign up and win. So we'll call it sign up to win. Sounds a little bit better. Okay. We can see we've got our email address here. We're going to add in a name and we're going to add in a phone number. So we'll scroll down to the bottom here. We're going to change text input here and we're going to have name. We can choose the property. We're going to choose first name and we're going to go back and we're going to add another block and we're going to add in phone number. Pop that in here. And because it's gone all wonky, let's just make it separate so we can see the two. Okay, so let's move the name up a little bit here. And we're just going to make that read a little bit better. Instead of your text here, your first name. Great. Then we've got phone number there as well. Awesome. Let's just check what mobile looks like. Okay, click mobile here. Looks good. Your first name into your email. Okay, now it's saying a label is required for the phone number. So let's just call this one phone. I'm going to double check that that's okay on desktop. Great. So this says sign up to win. Really super simple, super easy. So we're going to click publish on this here. And then what's going to happen is we've got this little code here that says embed this form. So we're going to grab that code there. We're going to go back to our Shopify store. And then in here, we're going to click this little code button here. I'm going to click that. And we're going to paste that Klaviyo code in there. And we're going to click save. And so now if we go in, we can click preview and now we can see that this is all set up and embedded and anyone that fills this out goes directly into that same Klaviyo list, okay? Now we can polish this page up and insert images and everything in here. So you can do that sort of in your own time. I'll show you one that I did in the past so you can see sort of how we've styled it. So it looks pretty good. You can see how we sort of laid it out here, right? Enter to win, and then that's that same Klaviyo form, okay? So you could do that sort of styling for yours as well, directly in Shopify. And that when you publish this page, it's gonna have a URL here that you can use. You then send that URL to anybody, and they can come to this page, they can fill out this competition, and they're gonna go directly into that BFCM list that we talked about. Now, the third strategy is by far the easiest out of all of them. If we think about strategy number 1, we had to buy people to get into our list. Strategy number 2, we captured the people that were already visiting our store. Now, strategy number 3 is we're going to use free organic content to get people to come into our list. And we're going to use Instagram to do that. So let's go to my Instagram account now, and we're going to go into our profile. So you can see in our profile here, we've got win a month supply of coffee. And if we click this link, it takes us to this link tree list here. And you can see the top link that we have in here is the competition. Now, if you click this link, you'll notice that it goes straight to that embedded page that we created earlier. What's happening here is that anyone that visits our profile now also sees the competition. But not everyone views profiles, right? So what are we going to do to get people there? This is where the organic content comes into play. So what you'll see on our feed here is every week we are posting up a post similar to this, which is the same creative they have in our ads. We're just posting in our organic feeds. And if they read the caption, you can see here that all they need to do is click the link in the bio, choose the option and follow the prompts. Really super simple. So we're using free content to get people's attention, to view our profile, to then enter the competition. Now, a couple of things happen here. You know, we're getting great engagement on the ads, which is great for the algorithm. We're getting people to view our profile, which is encouraging them to follow us. And we're getting entrance into the competition, joins our Black Friday list, and then we can nurture that list. Now, if you want to amplify this even more, you could boost this post and you could set the objective to visit your profile. That means when someone clicks the link, they're going to go to your profile and they're going to enter the competition. It's a really super simple way. So now we have 3 different strategies to get people into our Black Friday list. What's the next thing that you need to do? Well, this is the time where you need to nurture and warm them up, because on Black Friday, people are going to choose to buy from brands that they already know. They're not going to buy from brand new brands. So this is the time where you need to be nurturing them. You need to be sending them regular emails. Now, these aren't sales emails about buy our stuff. These are value-driven emails. So we want to educate them about our brand. We want to tell them why our brand's great. We want to send through testimonials, some how-tos, some education, some engagement. You want them to feel like they're part of the community so that when you do go on sale, they feel like they already know you and you don't have to do that warming up phase. They'll see an email from you, they'll see an offer, and it's going to be a no-brainer for them to say yes. Now, if you loved this tutorial, I've got 2 more up here that's going to really help you grow your e-commerce business.